Hello folks, welcome to Ethical Empire. Hope you are doing well. Today's video is the following part of Nmap Report Format Part 1. So as I already explained the required information about the Nmap tool and why we need to save the result in the report format in the first part, so you can go through that and a video link will be available in description. And here I am just going to summarize the part 1 quickly. So, Nmap, also known as a network mapper, is a tool for network discovery and security auditing, uh, which scans for large networks and identify open ports, services, versions, and so many things uh, for the respective network. So, in the first part, we covered report in normal format, XML format, and how we can save both normal and XML result at same time. Then we discussed verbose and debug mode, following with the specific polls. And in this video, we will cover how we can generate report in a Grepable format and Alias format. And after that, instead of overwriting the file, how we can append the output in the file, concluding with the some important options. So without wasting time, so just quickly get into it. So let's get started.
Connection established.
Okay, so here I'm using two virtual machines. One is my Kali and another one is Metasploitable. So as I earlier told in my Nmap report format part one, that Metasploitable is an intentionally vulnerable machine. Okay, so here we will check for IP of that it machine. So we will type command if config. Okay, so our IP is 192.168.30.128. So get back to our Kali and open terminal here. So here it is. I'm going to simply scan that IP, 192.168.30.128. Okay. Okay, so here we got the list of open ports. So here too many ports are open. As I told you, it is an intentionally vulnerable machine. Okay, so we will just quickly get into the uh, grepable format. So for that, you have to use the command nmap hyphen small o capital G, following with the file name where you want to save. Let me first show you my directory. So here only two uh, files are here. That one it's pass.txt, the another one is users.txt. Okay, here I have in my desired directory. Let me just move into Nmap report. Okay, here the result of first video saved here. I'm continuing with here only. Okay, so continuing with the commands here, I have to type Nmap, then following with a hyphen O, capital G, the file where we want to save. I'm saving in empire dot gnmap. After that, following with my IP, that is 192.168.30.128. Okay, then I'm just hit enter. Hmm, let's check the file has saved or not. Okay, here it is, empire.gnmap. Uh, let's open it. Cat empire.gnmap. Here we can see the result is not in representative format as it is just aligned in only a one line. For that, to grab the result, we have a couple of utilities. One is pipe, the tool of Linux, and the another one is also a Linux tool and also a part of programming language, that is AWK command. So we are going to use it here. For that, we need to type a command same which we used previous. After that, we will use a pipe following with the command AWK. After that, we will type open following with the forward slash. Then we will ask it to print, and here we want to print index number. Here you can see if we after puts we have index number at 0, 1, 2. So if we want to print for index number 2, okay, so we will give that sign, dollar sign, following with 2, then using two inverted commas, following with the index number 3 that represent with the dollar 3. After that, we will close the bracket. Okay, so let's run it. Hopefully, my command is correct. Yeah, it is correct. So it gave me the information. Uh, Here it is like open FTP. So it only uh, provided me the result of index number 2 and index number 3. Here you can see open FTP. Okay, so if I want to change the index number, and let's see how we can change the result. Okay, so I'm changing with 3, and after that 4. Let's hit enter. Okay, we can see that information is changed. Uh, FTP, SSH. So we only got the result of index number 3 because here not any index after 3. So index 4 is not present. That's why we only get the result of only the index number 3. Okay, let's try 1 to 4. Here we printed only the information of first index, as fourth index is not present. So let's try to get the result of 3, index number 3. Okay, here you can see you have get the almost required information like port number 21 following with the name of the port, that is TCP, and then FTP as it is mentioned here according to the output. So using these utility like AWK and pipe, you can grab the result according to your desire. Okay, so our next report format is Alias. So what does Alias do? It saves the result of normal format, grep format, and XML format at the same time. All the three results get saved at once using the single command. So let me just show you here. Nmap dash o capital A following with the name Alias. After that, my IP 192.168.30.128. Just let enter. Let me see it is saved or not. Okay, here we can see we get the result as alias.nmap, alias.gnmap. It is for grep, it is normal format, and alias for XML. Yeah, here it is alias.xml. All the three formats are saved at once. We can also see it alias.gnmap. So same output which we have uh, saved in previous. After that, alias.nmap. Okay, so this result in a normal format following with the XML. Okay, so Here it is in XML format. As it is not in a representative way, you can convert in or transform it into a HTML style sheet, which I have already told in the Nmap Report Format Part 1. You can check out there. Okay, so the next useful utility we are going to see is appending the output. So let me take just one file. Okay, here I'm going to take alias.nmap. So it is the recent file. I'm just going to take it as .nmap. So here you can see the result. So if I'm going to use the same file for a report format or getting the output, so what Nmap simply does, it overwrites the file. So that result uh, which you can show now, it will be gone, and the new result uh, which I'm scanning, it will be printed. But if I want to append, means I want to add the result, then there is one utility, appending output, we can use to add the result. So for that, you have to use command and map, following with the small o, capital N. After that, file name, that is alias.nmap. So if I want to print for specific ports, or I want the information about the script and versions, so here I'm using the option small s capital C, then small s capital B, following with the option append double hyphen append, then single hyphen output, following with my IP 192.168.30.128. Okay, just run it. I hope it will work. So here our extra information for scripts and version, as I provided that option. Okay, so just as we can see, no extra file has created from previous responses. I'm going to just cat alias.nmap, which is presented here. So you can see the previous result is only a simple normal result. Here it is. Okay, so just let enter. So the file cat alias.nmap, cat alias.nmap, and here the extra information which got added in the file. So this is the important option you can implement or you can use to add or append the result in the existing file. After that, we have some important options you can implement, like if you don't want too much information in your file, so you can specify which information you want. Like you can see, so I'm using that. I'm going to make just one file and in a same in a normal format. Okay, here I'm using uh, I say xyz dot txt, following with the reason, following with the reason. After that, IP. So here it shows the reason. Okay, just see. Yeah, it is here xyz dot txt cat xyz. So you can see this result is different from a normal format, as it given a reason about the connection, that is sin ag time to live 64, value of time to live 64, which is, and after that there is one more utility, that is packet trace. You can use that. Let me show you. So instead of reason, I'm going to use package trace. So I'm doing it in the same file. So it is going to overwrite it, not it is going to append in this file. Like guys, I am showing you. That's where that appending output option is important. Okay, just let enter. So this is the information about the packet, like how it how it transferred and when it is received. All the information and the protocol, the ID, the exact time to leave, and the sequence number. All the information is provided with the option packet trace. Okay, let me just open the file. XYZ. Okay, yeah, here you can see. So it doesn't appended the result. It just overwrites the file. So here you get the extra information. Okay, so here more important options are there. Like if you only want the open ports, not the closed ports or a filtered ports, just want an open port. So you can also use the open utility or a open option. Okay, so just one more format is left. It is not an important format, which is just for a fun or known as a script kiddie. So nmap small o capital S, following with the script.txt, then my IP. Okay, let me see it is saved or not. Here it is script.txt. Just let's open it. Yeah, here you can see the result is in a discrete format, like uh, in port, the spelling of port that is instead of O, it represented as zero, then state services. So state services, you can use this report format just for fun or just for a different representation from a normal one. It doesn't have any use according to me. I haven't researched too much on that, on the script kiddie format. So that's it for the Nmap report format. As the TryHackMe's advent of Cyber 2023 is going on, so we are daily providing you with the walkthrough of each day and each task. So you can check out our website. You can find the link in description. So here the recent that is yesterday, day 8. A walkthrough of that is also available. You can check out there. From day 1 to day 8, all the walkthroughs are uploaded here. You can check out here. If you want extra information about the task, you can check out here. From day 1 to day 1 to day 8, all the walkthrough available here. You can check out here. So this is all for this video. Until next time, stay curious, stay secure, and keep exploring the fascinating world of cybersecurity. See you soon. Bye.